First things first, drink more water. Seriously. Most of the time when you think you're starving, your brain is actually just thirsty. But here's the pro tip. Make it cold. Drinking 500 milliliters of cold water can actually spike your resting metabolism by about 30% for a full hour. It's the closest thing to a free metabolic hack that exists. Stop eating calories your body never actually asked for. Next, fix your sleep. This is the foundation everything else is built on. When you're sleep deprived, your hormones go haywire. Your ghrelin, that's the feed me hormone, skyrockets. Meanwhile, leptin, the signal that tells your brain you're full, hits the floor. Throw in some high cortisol from the stress of being tired, and your body starts hoarding belly fat for survival. Get your 7 hours. It's non-negotiable. You don't need a gym. You need movement. Scientists call it N.E.A.T, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. It's the energy you use for everything that isn't sports or sleeping. Pacing while you're on a call or taking the stairs instead of the elevator can burn an extra 300 to 500 calories a day. Over a week, that's the equivalent of running a marathon. If you're at a desk right now, stand up. Do it every 30 minutes. Number 4 is cold exposure. And no, this isn't just a tough guy trend. You actually have 2 types of fat, white and brown. White fat stores energy. Brown fat burns it to create heat. Finish your shower with 60 seconds of pure freezing water. It's a shock to the system, sure, but it forces that brown fat to activate to keep your core warm. That metabolic spike, it lasts for hours after you've dried off. Now let's talk about the fasting window. It's not just what you eat, it's when. Intermittent fasting isn't a diet, it's a timing strategy. By shortening your eating window, say 16 hours of fasting and 8 hours of eating, you're finally allowing your insulin levels to hit their baseline. When insulin is low, your body enters a state called lipolysis. That's basically the green light for your system to start burning stored fat for fuel. Now, quick disclaimer, fasting isn't for everyone. Before you start any new protocol, check in with a professional dietitian or your doctor, especially if you have any health conditions. Finally, prioritize protein. This is the biggest lever you can pull. Digesting protein requires significantly more energy than fats or carbs. We call this the thermic effect of food. When you eat 100 calories of protein, your body burns about 30 of those just to process it. It keeps you full, it protects your muscle, and it basically turns your stomach into a furnace.